We should call this the summer of watermelons because I think we've had a watermelon every day this summer. I need to move these. This is what Jonah had his cayenne pepper planted in, but he transferred it to a grow bag.
Oh, my strawberries are all.
Are they?
Yeah.
I wonder. The things you find when you go around to pick up trash in the yard. There's some of the babies. Those two always stay together. We've got 2 more eggs. I think we just missed these this morning. They were almost covered up. Somebody is wanting to make the feeder their laying box. Hey there. Uh-oh, I dropped the bent up fork. The chickens think it's something to eat. It's nothing. Getting the kitchen cleaned up this evening, y'all. We just had hamburger steaks and hash browns for supper. So I'm getting it all cleaned up now. I'm surprised this is still warm over here. I've had these off for a little while. We still got some steam coming off. And now that we have the kitchen clean, we're gonna cook again. But this isn't gonna be a big mess. We're gonna go ahead and make a sausage and pancake breakfast bake for in the morning. It's a blueberry pancake sausage breakfast bake. Blueberry pancake sausage breakfast bake, yes. Let me get my pan. So first we're just gonna cook the sausage. And I'm gonna go ahead and make this whole pound of sausage. You just need half a pound though for this recipe. With the rest of this, I will probably make a little bit of sausage gravy in the morning, or I might go ahead and make that tonight also. Blueberry stuff and sausage goes really good together. There are actual recipes for sausage patties with blueberries in the sausage. It goes great together. So we'll cook this sausage up. I'm gonna go ahead and bake it and everything tonight, and then in the morning we can just warm it up. Things like this work really good, and this can be a freezer breakfast too, by the way. Things like this work really good when you have people getting up at different times. Everybody can just get them a slice and warm it up whenever they're ready to eat. Okay, while the sausage is cooking, I'm gonna get some blueberries real quick. I've come to help because I want to taste test this sausage. Oh yeah. Can you throw those in the trash for me? I think those are kind of old. So I've got a cup of blueberries in here. We're just going to put a tablespoon of flour in here with these. And you just want to coat the blueberries really good. This keeps them from all just sinking to the bottom of your breakfast bake. We'll set these over to the side.
Ooh, they look pretty. They look like snow-covered blueberries.
Mm-hmm. I'm going to spray this casserole dish over here because that's what we're going to make this in.
Are you going to eat all this sausage?
No. Half of it I'm leaving out for just like a gravy, sausage gravy breakfast bowl, just like with sausage gravy and eggs or something.
Okay.
Let me get a little brush. It's me and Sissy in here right now, so it's super quiet.
Yeah.
Unless we get to laughing about something, then it might get loud.
Yeah.
Another reason I want to go ahead and make this tonight is because tomorrow I would like to take the kids on a bear hunt. And it would be nice to already have breakfast just ready to, you know, warm up and eat. They could even take it with them if we want to, because I would like to leave kind of early. It's not real bears. The Lanaga has it's like I think it's called Bears Around the Square or something. It's like a little bear scavenger hunt. They have, can't remember how many it is, like 10 maybe. But anyway, they're little golden bears scattered all throughout the town, and you have to find them. So it's like a little scavenger hunt. And I thought it would be fun to take the kids to do that. And then they have the old general store there, the candy store, the Gold Museum. We went to the Gold Museum, but it's been a couple of years ago, I think. They said at the, I can't remember if it was a welcome center or what it is, they have a little map, or you can get the map online. While Cece's finishing up the sausage, we'll go ahead and mix the batter in here. We need 2 cups of all-purpose flour.
Sausage is really easy to make too, because you don't ever have to worry about it burning. I've never burnt sausage.
Yeah. I don't think I've ever burnt sausage either. Bacon I've accidentally burned before, but I don't think I've ever burned sausage. A tablespoon of baking powder. Teaspoon of salt. We'll whisk all of that together. Okay, and you just need a teaspoon of sugar in here. We need 2 eggs. I used to hate mornings, y'all. If you've been here a long time, you remember. I started realizing why they weren't my favorite, and that was because I was never prepared for them. If you do everything you can the night before for the next morning, you enjoy mornings more. Because you don't have to get up in a rush. You've got everybody's clothes ready for the next day. You've got breakfast ready, or you at least, you know what you're going to make for breakfast. Have as much prepared for it as you can. Have the kitchen clean and ready for you. It just makes mornings better. 2 beaten eggs. Then we need 1 cup of milk. And 1 tablespoon of melted butter. Oh, I need to tell y'all too while I'm thinking about it. Some of y'all asked me about the Black Rifle Coffee Company coffee that I got from Walmart the other day. So we love the Black Rifle Coffee Company coffee in Pigeon Forge, you know, their actual restaurant. However, I did not like the coffee that we just got, the Just Black. I'm pretty sure that was our first time getting that kind. And it has that really smoky flavor and taste. I don't love that, but if you like that kind, then you would probably really like it. This one was a medium roast, but it was so smoky, it was almost like a dark roast. I don't know, it's just, I definitely won't be getting that one again. Get the butter. I have to add a little bit more milk because, like I told y'all before, this milk from the creamery, it's thicker than milk that, you know, from like the grocery store or whatever, because it's still got a good bit of cream in it. I'm probably gonna have to add a little bit more. Let me put the butter in. We'll see once we get this butter stirred in. Yeah, I'm gonna put just a little bit more milk in here. You definitely want it to be batter-like, not dough-like for this recipe. That's much better. There's the sausage, and like I said, the recipe, it only calls for ½ pound. With the other half, I'm gonna put, make some gravy. Got the blueberries. Sissy's gonna mix those, and that's it. We'll pour it into the casserole dish, and it bakes for about 30 minutes at 370. Was it 375 or 350? What'd I do with my thing? I think it was 350. I preheated a little too high. Let me turn it back. Talking about coffee, I almost forgot to tell y'all, we stopped by a new coffee place in Helen Wednesday. It's called Doggone Coffee. So Doggone Coffee is what it's called. It's right across from Betty's and beside the windmill. So if you've ever been to Helen, you know where the windmill is. It's right there beside that, and it's across from Betty's.
This is a new coffee place, and they also have some cakes and stuff like that. It's called Doggone Coffee.
Sugar-free sodas, right, are like the hot new trend right now. So we start with a soda base, like a Sprite or a Dr. Pepper or a Coke.
Yes, ma'am.
And then we add syrups in.
Yeah.
And then cold foam. A lot of times flavor cold foam on top, so it kind of comes down into the soda. So
And I think he just wants a small black coffee. Is that what you want?
Yeah, I'll take a
Okay.
small black coffee.
all right. So I can either, like, it'll take me about 2 minutes to brew some fresh hot coffee, or I can do an Americano for you.
Yes, ma'am. Do the what?
Americano?
We're headed to church, so yeah,
Yeah.
whatever. Yeah, that'll
No
be
problem.
fine.
All right, I'll do an Americano then. Yep, and 16 or 20, small?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
You see where we are right now? That's Betty's grocery store. So if you come right across the road, that's where this doggone coffee is right here.
Yeah, our bagels are flown in from New York
Okay.
because, you know, we really wanted authentic, good New York bagels.
Yes, ma'am.
And then our pastries are actually made over in Blue Ridge.
Okay.
By a fabulous bakery called High Mountain Bakery.
Yes, ma'am.
And to give them props. And then our cakes all come from Alpine Bakery. They do just gorgeous.
Yeah, I can see.
Down in Alpharetta and Woodstock.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, so, yeah.
I mean, these are some really pretty cakes. No
They're
doubt.
Beautiful, yes.
What are those cakes? Is that like a lemon or
Yes,
a carrot cake?
A lemon mousse right there, and Italian cream.
Italian cream,
The
okay.
chocolate one is called Seven Sins.
Okay.
And then there's a key lime pie.
Yes, ma'am.
But we're gonna switch our cakes out all the time.
Oh, so it'll always be something different.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll tell you what, I want to try that, what'd you say that was? German, not German, but,
The Italian cream?
yes, the Italian
I'll do
cream.
just like that.
Yeah.
Great.
Oh, wow.
Everybody grab a fork.
Folks, I'm telling you, that is really good. And their coffee's good here too, y'all.
Here, do y'all want to taste this? Yeah. Here's forks. They have some really fun stuff in there, so we'll definitely go back and try some more of their coffees and sodas and stuff that they have. Next time we're gonna try that key lime. I can't remember, was it pie or cake? Whatever it was. That's what we're trying next time.
What does that sound?
Y'all, what is that? One of y'all asked, what is that chime sound in the background? And I have not heard it, but Sissy just heard it. What is that? Is it the refrigerator?
I have no idea.
Let's listen. It stopped. No, is it still going? I think it's the refrigerator.
Mama, I heard it in one of the videos.
You did?
Yeah.
What is it? Was it that same noise?
Yeah.
I don't know what that is. I think it's the refrigerator making some kind of noise. Because I've heard the refrigerator make a noise like that late at night when it was like, you know, everybody was asleep and it was quiet.
Yeah.
I've heard the refrigerator make that noise. I think that's what it is. Okay, we're just gonna spread this out, and then I'm gonna put a few, well, I don't know, this might have enough blueberries coming to the top. It does. I was gonna say I'd put a few blueberries on the top, but this has enough. I think it'll bake up and be really nice. You know what, I'm gonna put a few. Just in case. I really want a few of those blueberries to really, you know, rise up to the top. Just like maybe one more there, and that'll be good. And we'll put it in the oven. make this for breakfast this weekend. You won't be sorry. It's like blueberry pancakes, meat sausage biscuit, and they live happily ever after. That's what that is.
It's your